Imagine waking up to find your flight cancelled, the sky looking strangely hazy, and air quality warnings flooding your phone, all because of a volcano erupting more than 4,000 kilometers away. Yet that's exactly what parts of India are experiencing right now after a massive volcanic eruption in Ethiopia disrupted the atmosphere over the Arabian Sea and the Indian subcontinent. The volcano behind this disruption is Haile Gubbi, a long dormant shield volcano in Ethiopia's northeastern Afar region. Shield volcanoes like Hawaii's Mauna Loa typically release slow-moving lava rather than towering ash columns, which makes this sudden eruption even more unusual. After lying silent for nearly 12,000 years, Haile Gubbi erupted on November 23rd. Locals described the moment as feeling like a sudden explosion, with villages in the Afdera region blanketed under layers of ash. For India, the biggest concern is the massive ash plume drifting in our direction. The eruption sent ash shooting up to 45,000 feet, where strong upper-level winds carried it across the Red Sea. Within hours, the plume passed over Yemen, Oman, and parts of northern Pakistan before entering India through western Rajasthan. Meteorologists tracking satellite imagery said the cloud was traveling at around 130 km per hour, with the most immediate impact being felt in the aviation sector. Volcanic ash contains tiny particles of glass and rock that can severely damage aircraft engines and reduce visibility. India's aviation regulator, the DGCA, has issued an urgent advisory directing airlines to avoid ash-affected air routes and also adjust flight plans. There's also concern over whether the ash will worsen air pollution in North India, especially with Delhi already battling very poor air quality. Experts, however, say the plume is currently traveling at very high altitude and is unlikely to significantly affect pollution at ground level. The skies may appear hazier and sunlight slightly dimmer, but the main disruption is expected in aviation rather than surface air quality. This rare eruption is a reminder that natural events unfolding thousands of kilometers away can still ripple into our daily lives, darkening skies, grounding flights, and showing just how interconnected our world truly is. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.